Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my Medusa's makeup unbagging, unboxing for December. But before we get started, I do want to mention a product I'm wearing. This is the Medusa's Makeup Mystical Eye Dust in Bubo, which is kind of a dark, like, galaxy vibes purple. I've just got that on the lid of the eye, and I think it is a very beautiful color, and I think it's a color that will work universally for nearly every skin tone. It's really, really nice. And I've just got that on the lid. I think it's really, really pretty. It packs in really well. There wasn't a lot of fallout for being so glittery. So that is that. And then on the lips, these are not new products, but I'm wearing these Anastasia like matte lips, liquid lipsticks in On Mute and Sand. I put on this one first and I thought I looked crazy. Then I put this on top and I thought I looked even more crazy. So I added some gloss and I still feel like I look a little crazy, but let me know what you guys think of these. I think that might be time for me to pass these along. I just don't think those are my colors, but I'd love some feedback. Now let's go ahead and get into the subscription. So we've got a card just encouraging you to leave a review, and then we've got our card for the subscription itself. There's little disco balls, kind of fun. Looks like we're getting 6 items this month. And it says the value is $71.99. So the first item I've pulled out is the hydrocolloid pimple patches. And I've got some pimples going on my chin, so I'll certainly be using pimple patches tonight. Probably not these. I'm going to use the ones I have open already, but let me read to you about these. It doesn't have a brand on here. And it doesn't say a brand on here, so maybe this is just a one-off thing that Medusa's Makeup made for the bag. I don't know. And it says it's a $9.99 value. So these are stars. It has in parentheses the word various, so I kind of think that probably means various shapes, because on the card there are butterfly shapes and on here there's star shapes, so they probably just have different shapes, like maybe hearts or something. I don't know, but I'll definitely be using these. The next item we have is a brush, and it is Medusa's Makeup branded. It's a fine angle brush. You could probably use this for liner or brows. And it says this is a $10 value. They're calling it an angle eyeliner brush, but you could definitely use this for brows too. So yeah, nice little versatile brush. Happy to have that as well. Next, we have a lip product. This is the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Funky Town. And this lip gloss is a $14 value. It looks like everyone is getting the shade Funky Town. This has got some plastic on it, so I need to cut this open. So here is the color. It's a really sparkly pink. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. So it's very frosty, really fun. And it's just a really pretty shade of pink. I think I'm going to like this. So I can't wait to use that. The next item we have is one of their Sweet Cheeks Pinky Swear blushes. And Pinky Swear is the color, I believe. And this is another $14 value, just like the lip gloss. Packaging's got sprinkles and stuff. It's really cute. So let's open that up. So here's the color. It's like a shimmering coral. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Orgasm from NARS. But let's go ahead and swatch it. That is super shimmery and super corally. I think that color is actually really nice on me. I'm excited to play with that. I love coral shades for the cheeks. Next, we have a Glam Rock eyeshadow. This is in the color Blitz, and this is a $12 value. So here's what the color looks like. It looks just like a metallic gunmetal gray. And I feel like I've had this one before. I don't have it in my collection, but I don't know why this color feels really familiar to me. So here's the swatch. Its swatch is a little lighter than I was expecting, but it still maintains the really lovely sheen. It's just a little less gunmetal swatched, a little more smoky. So that's a really nice color. I don't know that I pull off grays the best, but I'm going to give it a try. And the last item we have here is the Medusa's Makeup Snow Cone Lip Scrub. And this is a $12 value. Let's give it a smell. Snow cone is an interesting scent. It smells nice. There's kind of like a bakery sort of vibe to it. Or like, kind of reminds me of some of the scents you might smell, and this is definitely more of a mid-Atlantic thing, but if you went to Chocolate World at Hershey Park on the chocolate ride, it kind of smells like some of the scents they infuse into the ride experience. It smells really good. I will give it a try. It doesn't seem like it is super coarse, which I prefer, but I will have to see if it leaves behind a film, because I really don't like when lip scrubs do that, but I'll give this a try. It's kind of fun that it's blue. So overall, while I don't think these really make a cohesive look, at least not with the eyeshadow thrown in, maybe the lip gloss and the blush do, I think this is a fun month. I think this is a really fun color lip gloss, and the blush is really pretty. The eyeshadow is maybe not my favorite color, but it is kind of fun to get one of their glam rock ones. I'll be giving the lip scrub a try. Always happy to get a brush, and pimple patches is something they have not sent us before that I will probably use. So this is a really great box in my opinion. We're ending the year on a high note. I'm gonna give it an A. Not an A plus, because it really didn't like fully blow me out of the water, but it is solid A. It's a good box. So let me know what you guys thought of this subscription box down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. I'd love if you did that. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.